Hello? Hello? Excuse me? Excuse me?
Oh, hey, man!
What are you doing? It's 5 in the morning.
Sorry, man. We're rehearsing.
What?
We're rehearsing, dude.
But it's so early. You're being very loud.
We're birds, man. This is when we do our best work.
We need this kind of volume to simulate a proper gig atmosphere, dude.
We need the audience to feel the bass in their nut sacks, man.
Well, can you do it somewhere else? I'm trying to sleep.
Sorry, man. This is the only place with the right acoustic. We're trying to get a gig, man.
There's nothing else like us. Once we play a club, we're gonna be huge on the techno scene, dude.
What are you talking about? You're birds. They won't let you play gigs at human venues. How are you even going to plug your instruments in?
You gotta let go of all this negative energy, dude. It's holding you back.
Yeah.
And are there really no other branches you could do this on that aren't directly outside my window?
I don't see why we have to move, dude.
Yeah, man. Why don't you find a new branch?
Because I don't live on a branch. I live in a house. This is my house.
We don't know what a house is, man. That means nothing to us.
My God, look, can you please just turn it down?
Don't worry, we're gonna be done soon anyway. Roderick needs to wash his granny later.
Shut up! Guys, it's 5 in the morning. Will you please shut up?
Cut the music.
Hey, man. We've been waiting for you. We've been thinking a lot about what you said yesterday, dude.
Look, I don't care about your gig. I just want to sleep.
We flew to the Swindon Men's Social Club last night, dude. Super cool venue. We tried to book a slot, man. You were right. The guy there was very rude.
He hit me in the face with a rake, man.
What did you think was going to happen? You're birds.
Yeah, they don't understand us in buildings, dude. They're scared of what we can do.
What?
You think we'll just fly around shitting and flapping everywhere. You don't understand we're artists. We've got to express ourselves.
Look, I don't have a problem with you expressing yourselves as artists or whatever. Just does it have to be here?
Well, we've thought about it very hard and very low, and we have an offer for you. We want you to join the band.
Come on, Greg. Come on, Greg.
Oh my God, no, I'm not going to join your band. Go away, you little freaks.
Come on, Greg.
Don't be selfish, Gregory. We can't book a gig without you.
We need you to dance like Iggy Pop.
Things are in motion now. Welcome to the band, Greg.
You're not listening. Nothing is in motion. I just want you to shut up and let me get some sleep. Ah! this? What's this, you weird little shit? Did you just throw a rock through my window? This is not okay!
We're birds, Greg. We don't have a clear sense of right and wrong.
Turn that fucking music off!
Relax, man. Chill out. Roderick, cut the music. Roderick.
Oh, finally! Thank you!
So will you join our band, Gregory?
No! Now, even if I wanted to, which I definitely don't, because you're birds, I couldn't anyway. I get stage fright and I can't even sing. And I have a full-time job.
Quit your job then.
What? No! The only reason I moved here was to be closer to my bloody job and to get a bit of peace and quiet. That's a joke, isn't it? Constant birds bloody jabbering at me all the time.
So you're saying no? You will not join our band?
Yes! Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. There you go.
Okay. Okay. I'm afraid that doesn't work for us, Greg.
Well, I'm gonna get a gun and I'm gonna shoot you. I'm a fucking vegan, but I don't care anymore.
Don't walk away, Greg. We wouldn't do that if we were you.
What are you gonna do about it, you spindly little creeps?
We've got your tortoise, Gregory.
What?
We're tired of this cat and mouse game, Greg. Either you join our band, or your tortoise ends up in the middle of the English Channel, man. You have 5 minutes to decide, Gregrick. Roderick, hit the music.
Please give it back, guys! Please!
You have 20 seconds left, Greg. Have you made your decision?
Fine. I'll do it. I'll join your bloody band.
And you will do everything you can to capture the iconic charisma and stage presence of rock legends Iggy Pop and Michael Jaggers, or your tortoise goes in the sea.
Yes.
Good, Greg. Very good.
Nice.
What's my mum doing out there? I recognise half the crowd. What's going on?
Oh, nice. That makes sense, man.
What do you mean it makes sense?
We had no choice, man. We went through your Facebook friends and invited them all. We don't know any human people.
If you're nervous, Greg, try to relax your sphincter.
No. This is too much. I'm not going out there just like a 1980s paedophile.
What are you saying, man? You look super cool.
I look ridiculous. I think I saw my old pottery teacher out there. Everyone's going to think I've gone totally insane. I'm not doing it.
Tortoises are not able to swim. You promised your father you'd look after him. Remember?
He could live for 80 years. Promise me you'll look after him. Keep him safe once I'm gone.
Fuck.
Hello? We are the Scandinavian-based foundation. This song is called Jetstream Paradise. A And in the night, a friend to carry me back. There's nothing to fear, I'm safe on the way ahead. Stalking me down, so huge, like a jumbo jet. Shadow was cast, and his course was set.
It's all clear to us now. We need a human frontman in our band.
Come on, Greg. We need you to dance like Iggy Pop. If you're nervous, Greg, try to relax your sphincter.
Woo! You know, I sort of enjoyed that at the end. Wasn't too bad, was it?
That was an offense to music.
You made us look like idiots.
We had an agreement, man. You know what this means.
What? No.